Alright, so here you can see a bracket that I built, and I kind of didn't like this one after I was done with it and sort of realized that I had the pump the wrong orientation. So the outlet, the high pressure side of the pump comes out here, and I had to make this relief cut to make clearance for the hose, and then I just kind of didn't like it after I was done with it. I didn't look quite right, and it was sticking out quite a ways, so I scrapped this one, and you just saw the time lapse of me designing this one. This one looks a lot cleaner. It doesn't stick out quite as far, which I also like. So yeah, I think this one looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. I will have to, on the actual frame of the car, I'm going to have to fill this hole up and then do like a riv nut or something in the frame rail there, and then of course I'll have to drill and either riv nut or weld a nut, or for either or both of them. Either I'll get riv nuts or welded in nuts for that. And then on the bottom here, on the bottom of the frame rail, there's two threaded holes already that held the old power steering hose bracket from the original setup. So I've got two holes on the bottom there. And then I add this vertical brace here just to add some rigidity and some strength to the outer part of the bracket here. So I think this one turned out pretty good. I think this is pretty clean. I'll probably do a cardboard mock-up of this just to check it and see that everything is kind of fitting in real life. And then we'll open this up. I've actually got to put a couple more corner rounds on this thing. I will generate the flat pattern for this. In fact, let's do that now. Let's create a flat pattern. So this is what the pattern looks like. I will I gotta put holes in for the pump mounts too. Anyway, I'll clean the 2D version of this up, and then I also will add some slots on the bend lines, and then that way I can have Sen just cut it out flat, and then I can bend the flanges myself and weld them, and I'll be able to do it easier because there'll be slots on all the bend lines. So that shouldn't be too bad. Anyway, let's go back to the folded part. I think this turned out pretty good here. So I just got to punch holes for the pump mounting holes, and then I found, hopefully I found some rubber grommets that'll work for this pump. The pump that I bought off of eBay didn't come with the mounting bracket or the grommets, and so I'm having to kind of search around and find something. And I think I found some rubber isolators for that, but I gotta order some and see if they fit. So anyway, that's part 2 of the bracket construction here. We got the model. I think I'm pretty happy with this model, so now I just gotta mock it up and test fit it and see how she fits in real life, and then send some files off to Send and get a real bracket on the way. So that'll be a little while before I do that though. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that little modeling session, and thanks for watching.